Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the ancient monuments built during the Delhi Sultanate period. Qutub Minar is one of the most important sources that provide information about the Delhi Sultanate period. Qutub Minar is a victory tower started by Qutub-ud-din Aibak in 1199 AD at Mahrauli, South Delhi, India. The construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutub-ud-din Aibak, but he was unable to complete it. It was later completed by Iltutmush, his successor and son-in-law in 1220 AD. Qutub Minar was a five-story minar built in different time periods. The red sandstone, marble, and grey quartzites were used for construction of this tower. It has a circular stairway of 379 steps. The entrance of tower is in northern side. The base diameter is 14.32 meters and top diameter is 2.75 meters. When completed, it rose to a height of 71.4 meters with 4 stories. The tower was damaged by lightning in 1369 AD, and in course of repair and renovation by Firoz Shah Tughlak, its height further raised by one more story. Each story is separated from one another by projecting balcony. Qutab-ud-din Aibak. Qutub-ud-din Aibak was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi who ruled between the time period of 1206 AD to 1210 AD. He was the real founder of Delhi Sultanate and particularly the slave dynasty. He initiated the construction of Qutub Minar, which was later on completed by Iltutmush, his son-in-law and successor. Thank you.